Hello, Hargrave parents. Welcome to this short overview about special classes at Hargrave Elementary. My name is Ms. Morillo, and I am the interventionist at campus. What I do is I work with students who are showing struggles and difficulties in the area of math or reading. So I pretty much develop different small group settings, and I'll be pulling those students throughout the day and during the intervention hour that we have in campus to provide that additional support that they need. So this is my second year being an interventionist at Hargrave Elementary School. I am also a bilingual certified teacher, so I serve with both populations, the Spanish language arts and the English language arts and math. What else about me? I'm super excited to be here and to work with your students. If I call you or text you in the future, that means that I'm going to be working with those, with your child, and we're going to be working together and being in constant communication so we can make sure we close those gaps that the students are showing that they need improvement on. I'm super excited to be here and to work with your kids, not only to grow them academically, but also in their confidence and their social, emotional well-being. I just want to share with you that the page that I'm currently showing or sharing with you is our website, and I want you to know how to get here. If you go to your Google browser, you can type tinyurl.com/Gator Specials. You click search, and that's going to open this beautiful website. Here you can learn more about all of our teachers in the special classes. And I'm just going to showcase mine because I'm the one talking right now. You can see here information about me and another video and another presentation with my contact information. You can see my calendar where I'm going to be posting all the different events or information that you're going to need. And the same information will be on the Spanish right here for the bilingual parents. Okay, so don't forget to check us out and to visit our website. It is a pleasure for us to work with your child and provide them whatever they need to make sure they are growing and they're being successful. So don't hesitate to contact us if you ever need us. Thank you.
Hi, teachers, parents, and staff. My name is Ms. Cho, and I am the STEM Plus Specialist and the Gifted and Talented Teacher here at J.A. Hargrave Elementary School. The STEM Plus program is an awesome program for students in kindergarten through fifth. They're exposed to challenges utilizing the engineering design process. These challenges are set up to where students are solving problems that are relevant to their community, to their school, to the world, and even to their classroom. Usually the outcome in solving these problems is aligned to whatever TEK or lesson they are addressing in class, so they're getting a little bit more of enrichment. If you'd like to learn more about the STEM Plus program, you can find that information on the web page. If you go to the STEM Plus tab, it has more information about the STEM Plus program. It has information about the Gifted and Talented Education program, and you can find a tab about after-school programs. We do have 2 after-school programs that I am facilitating. One of them is First Lego League. It's for grades 4th and 5th. And it's an awesome program where students are able to code, build a robot that goes through missions. They can compete statewide, district-wide, and even nationally. The STEM Design Challenge Club is for students in grades 2nd and 3rd, and it's just connected to their literacy TEKs as well as their science and math TEKs. So they're getting a little bit more enrichment from what they're getting in class while also being able to engage in a STEM challenge. So I hope that you've had a lot of information from this video. Please go check out our website. Bye.
Hi, my name is Coach G. I'm the PE teacher this year, and these are my wonderful co-coaches, Coach Johnson, hey everybody, and Coach Boyd. Hello. We look forward to a great year with you guys. We're going to be doing a lot of fun activities like aerobic activities, teamwork, basketball, volleyball, soccer, a lot of fun stuff. Look forward to having you in class.
Hi, I'm Melissa Flores. I am the program manager here at J.A. Hargrave, and I work for Communities in Schools. I can help you by providing you different types of resources. So if you need help with getting food or school supplies, uniforms for your kids, I can help you. And I can also help your students by providing help with their social skills, their academic needs. I can help them by having homework checks and more. You can always contact me on my website. It will be in the link with all the other special teachers.
Hello, Gator family. My name is Kenosha White, and I'm excited to be serving as your child's music teacher this year. I have some new and exciting things on the horizon. Yes, we will have a choir. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me via email or through phone. My extension is 1090. And again, I'm excited to be serving.
Hi parents, this is Mrs. Stovall. I am the new librarian this year of Hargrave. First, I'd like to welcome you to the library. This is what we do on a daily basis. We read books, we check out books to the students. We use the Chromebooks to read books, to just stay in the vibe of learning how to read. Thank you for coming by the library.
Hi, my name is Miss G, and I'm the computer lab teacher here at Hargrave. I just wanted to let you know that this year we are using an app called Clever, where you scan the students' QR codes. It has lots and lots of games on there where the kids can play, and they're educational. And if we're not using Clever, we are also implementing other websites to play games, educational of course. And it's going to be a great year. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.